Hello everyone, welcome to Rajini Tech Talk. In this class, we are going to learn how to use unions in MySQL. Union is nothing but joining two different tables by using a columns based on the columns by vertical form is nothing but unions. Let me see how unions going to be work in MySQL. First, I have created a two tables. Table name first table name is Rajni and second table name is student1. Let me execute first table. I have two rows with five columns. In second table I have five rows with six columns. Let me perform union. How it going to be work? Let copy paste this one. If you give union here we are telling that select all the columns in the table 1 Rajni with all the columns in the table 2 student 1. Let me execute. Is showing error because if you observe that in for table 1 there is five columns, in table 2 there is 2 4 5 there is six columns. So while performing union there should be a equal number of columns in both the tables, otherwise it won't be executed. So let me try to pull particular column. Let me select PID comma age from Rajini 1 table. From second table let me select PID comma yes name from the student one. Let me execute this one. If you see that I have selected two columns in each table. The result is, if you see in it, all the values which has been executed in vertical form. First, whatever we used to give first table name, that is used to first execute first table, and then it going to be execute second table values. If you observe here, PID and age column names has been executed, and then whatever I have given PID and S name in down, if you observe that after age continuously the S name has been started, so it doesn't give any sense at all. That if you observe that here in this, while performing the union, whatever you are selecting the column names, for example I have selected PID and age, and in the second table PID and S name instead of S name, if you select same column names as as column as table 1, whatever selected the columns, same column names we need to select in the table 2. If you select like that, you can expect good results. See that PID and age, all the PIDs from both the tables and all the ages from both the tables has been executed continuously. If you require any distinct values, you can give distinct. It will give that unique values, that which is not repeated values. For example, I required above age 20 peoples along with their age, ID and gender. For that, let me see how we can execute this one. Let me copy paste this one. Control C. Okay. I required gender. and the condition is use where clause and age is greater than 20 and we require gender also, whether he is a male or female. Gender is equal to, in the table, if you observe that in the Rajini I have given for gender, for male MA and female FM, so we need to observe this crucially while giving here whether it is male or female. Okay, then union, here also how many, while performing the union, how many in select column, in select column, how many rows you are, how many columns you are given, same thing you need to give that much columns in the another table. I have given three column names, so I am giving here also three. Gender, let me copy paste. Where age is greater than 20 and gender is equal to, here in this table I have given normally same thing, male and female names. Okay, let me execute this one. Space I have done given. Okay, if you see that in age column which is greater than above 20, all the people, all the values has been mentioned in the age column. So gender which is age 30% is belongs to male, and we can observe that all the males only is there. So this is nothing but union. uh, we can give here order by also, we can use order by. Let me order age, run this, you can see that it is ordered by ascending order. Like that we can use the joins is nothing but joining two tables based on the columns. Here we need to understand union, two conditions we need to remember. First, number of columns, how many number of columns is present in one table, as same number of columns should be present in another table. And while performing the union, same column name should be taken, because if you take different column names you will get uh, different values, it doesn't give any sense. So by taking same column names, it will give more effective results. If any doubts is there means, please mention in the comment box. I will try to explain in the next video. Okay, thank you.